3 garlic cloves, 50 grams of carrots, 200 grams of asparagus, 2 spring onion, 50 grams of white onion, 20 grams of ginger, 200 gram chicken breast, to marinate the chicken, cornstarch 1 teaspoon, quarter spoon of white pepper, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water, stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves, 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium hot pan. Fry the ginger on a medium heat until brown on both sides. Once the ginger is brown, discard the ginger. In with the marinated chicken. After about 40 seconds, turn your chicken over. Keep stirring your chicken until it's evenly brown on both sides. Once the chicken is evenly brown, remove it from the pan, set it aside. 2 tablespoons of oil into a medium heat pan. In with the white onions, and the rest of the garlic. In with the carrots and the rest of the asparagus. Tiny pinch of salt, pinch of sugar. Splash of Shaoxing wine. Lid on for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove the lid. Return the chicken. Add in the sauce we made earlier. Add in the spring onion. Once the sauce thickens, we are done.